All cedars. They're growing right out of the rock. This is the lower level of the Cascade Mountain Waterfall. Beautiful. Looking at the Cascade Mountain waterfall from the other angle. We were right down below these cedars. Here's these beautiful cedars growing right out of the rock, very high. And there's maple growing right out of the side of the rock too. So we're up about 800 feet. We started off at 700 feet. Ken's getting ready to take a picture of that cedar, which is right here. Growing right off the edge of the rock. Sitting on this basalt plateau right by the waterfall. Probably was once covered with water where this waterfall got going. The swirling is amazing. I think it's the basis of a lot of computer screen desktop savers. Inspiration for all kinds of computer design. Here's another amazing cedar growing right out the rock. And there's another cedar over here, roots showing. And if you look down this way, the plateau, see these little crevices filled with water. And little ferns growing right out of the rock. Baby ferns. And here's my favorite pair of cedars. Right on this plateau. They kind of come together like a heart and then go their separate ways. Way up. The roots are just taking them in a different direction. And there's Ken shooting them. Here's yarrow growing right out of here. And over here we have columbine. I don't know if it's bloomed already or what. That's columbine. And there's another columbine over there. And a mountain ash, baby mountain ash growing right out of the rock. We've seen a lot of mountain ash up this trail. That's how they get the start. This is how it looks on the trail going up that way. The woods going way up and right down the trail. That's where we're headed. Here's what we see on each side. And the water and the platform.